Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups.
18th January 2021 and today's star is Purva Bhadrapada. This is the star of Jupiter. And today's planetary position you can see Mars being a ruler at Aries, Rahu at Taurus, Ketu at Scorpio, Venus at Sagittarius, and in Capricorn we can see Saturn, Jupiter, Sun and Mercury all together, and Moon is at Aquarius. So now for Aries, today as Jupiter is very strong at the 10th house, there is a good support in the workplace. Some may find very good job opportunities today. So those who are jobless, they can expect some good interview calls and get selected also. Moon is again the 11th house, seems very much positive and lucky for them. They can enjoy the work and they keep cool today. As Ketu is in 8th house, may bring some unexpected luck today. Some can expect some small profit in the share market also. In case of Taurus, as Jupiter is very strong in 9th house, some may get advices on money also, to get support from the father also. So some may get some good advice from the father and they can get some assets from their father's side. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 9th house, some may find some lucky time. They can win out of some prizes also. But they should be very much careful in business as well as with the business partners, because they may find some troubles at the workplace in case of business. In case of Gemini, as the day is for Jupiter, which is strong at the 8th house, they may find some tough time in the business as well as in the workplace. As there is a huge conjunction of planets except Moon, because Moon is at the 9th house, to an extent Moon can give them some mental strength, but at the same time there is a strong conjunction of planets, Saturn, Sun, Jupiter and Mercury all together at 8th house. It may give them lot of trouble today. So they may get more stressed and more painful day also. But the lucky thing is some may get foreign opportunities, because Rahu is also strong at the 12th house. For Cancer, as Jupiter is very strong at the 7th house, some may find their business more successful also. Unmarried people may find some suitable alliances also. As Moon is in the 8th house is not so good, some may find some mental stress. There may be lack of confidence in the work. 7th house being very strongly conjuncted and Sun is in the 7th house, some may find some clashes and issues with the life partners. So they should be careful with the life partners. Even in business, to an extent they should be careful, but today it is the day of Jupiter, so things will work in a positive way. For Leo, as Jupiter is very strong in the 6th house, some may find problems with the children, because Jupiter comes for the 5th and the 8th house. So 5th house indicates the children. So they may find some issues with the children, they may not study, or they may create some problems today, which will put them in a more stressful mind. As Moon is in the 7th house, there are chances some may find some good alliances to get married. So it's a good time for those who are unmarried. For Virgo, as the day is day of Jupiter, which is at 5th house, some may find problems in the business also. And some may find problems with their life partners. The shares and mutual funds may not give them proper results. 5th house also indicates for the children, and there is a strong conjunction of planets. There may be expenses for the children, for the education, or for the job or their workplace or whatever it is. So they need to spend a lot. And marriage life and business are equally tough, we can say. In case of Scorpio, we can see as Jupiter is very strong at the 3rd house, their hard work will yield good results. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 3rd house, they may not be idle today. They will be very much active and vibrant and achieve many things. They will do more number of work today and get attracted by all. So it seems to be very positive for them. In case of Sagittarius, as Jupiter is owner of the house Sagittarius and is very strong in the 2nd house, some may get some good benefits. They get good benefits out of their own communication also, because their communication will support today, with which they can win out of many projects. They can expect some good returns in the income, good returns in the share markets, good returns by selling the assets. So it seems to be very positive for them. In case of Capricorn, as Jupiter is very strong, some may find expenses due to health. Some of them efforts may go for a waste also. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the Capricorn, some may find health issues, so they need to spend a lot for their health also. In case of Aquarius, as Jupiter is very strong in the 12th house, again some may find loss in the profits. So whatever the profits they get, they need to spend a lot in that. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 12th house, whatever the income they get, it will turn out to be more expensive. So they need to spend a lot. Whatever they gain, they need to spend everything back for the children's health or for their own self or for their family. So the day seems to be highly expensive. In case of Pisces, as Jupiter is the owner of the house, this is very strong at the 11th house. We can say some can get good profits today. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 11th house, day seems to be more profitable. More positive things can happen also. Some may get good returns in the share markets or through selling of assets. Both business and job are equally good. Those who are jobless and trying for better job, they can get good interview calls from companies. So the day seems to be very positive for Pisces. So that's all. I thank you all for listening. We'll meet again tomorrow.